Let me share with you one other really cool notion that I absolutely love, basting tape. It's a double-sided basting tape. Have you ever used this, Kyle?
No.
To some of you, it may be brand new. This is just like the tape that we might find at the store, but it's specifically made with a very small seam allowance for things like our zippers. I'm just going to place it right down that zipper.
Oh, this will make it stay.
Oh my goodness. And then all I have to do is place this.
No pins.
Right side down.
Oh, yes.
Then all I have to do is take it to my sewing machine, sew a 1/4 inch right there, and pull this back on top of itself. My zipper has been installed.
Wow.
How simple is that?
Wow. That looks like it holds pretty good.
It holds really well, and it's not gonna gum up your needle.